And we have arrived at our filming destination, the Central Florida Fairgrounds in Orlando, Florida. Welcome everyone, and many thanks for being here. For today's great adventure, we find ourselves at the Central Florida Fairgrounds in Orlando, Florida for the Maker Faire Expo. And this expo has all kinds of robotics and science stuff, and full disclosure, that's not my area of expertise, but being a diligent YouTuber I am, I brought an expert with me.
I love science.
You love science, see? That's good enough, right? Let's go find out what they're all about over there. Come join us. There's an official Maker Faire shirt. Good looking shirt there. I used to ride my bike with my boombox, but it wasn't quite this big. It's really neat. I'd ride this. And we've entered the main hall where all the exhibits are. Let's go check it out. Hey! And check it out, I'm exercising and it's turning the lights on. Look at that, lighting it up. Have a look at the Legos in action here. Cameron's geeking out about this. He's loving this. Good day. And just in time for the season. Let's look at some builders here. Competitors only. It's a pit area. They're putting together all kinds of things. And look behind me, they have an arena set up for combat robots. Wouldn't mind seeing that in action. We got a K9 made by UCF. Go Knights. Oh yeah, honestly I think it's like 2. And Cameron found Mario. It's like Super Nintendo. Was this Mario 3? Here be dragons. And check this out, it's all handmade. Called the Dragon's Horde. Check them out on Etsy. This is my favorite. It's the fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy. Just ask Han Solo. And this is the Southern R2 Builders. They do some good work here. And here's the Mandalorian Mercs Costume Club. And look, they actually make their own helmets here. This is the way. Cad Bane, Conan, some really nice stuff there. And we're actually gonna go. They've got a lot of Star Wars stuff, and I am actually pleasantly surprised and enjoying it. And Cameron looked for a magnet he likes. They got some really cool ones there. Jason, look at this, the old Nintendo games. That's really cool there. Some good stuff. Oh yeah, look at Pac-Man. Was that Galaxian? Galaxian? All right, Cameron, what did you pick?
Jason.
That is really nice. Some more robots here. And one thing I'm looking forward to is Nintendo will open it up. And take a look at the Kraken. This is one neat looking robot. And it comes with an official guidebook too. It's really cool. They got the expo exhibits, merchandise store, plenty of food options. Now entering the drone zone. More skills than I'll ever have. And Cameron has no idea he's on an old relic right there. Look at that. Bell South payphone. Dropping dimes. And have a look at all these bees. And this is what they make us. Delicious honey. Press the button. All right, Cameron started it up. There goes the can. And there's the result.
Yeah, good. Whoa.
So there's over 200 exhibits, vendors, 2 different buildings. I mean, this place, it's packed. It's got a lot of neat stuff, and if you're into science and technology, this is the place to come. And behind me is where the combat robots are gladiating. Can't get near it though, it's packed. All right, here's Off Our Couch, invited us here. I'm gonna put a link to their channel. Tell us a little about your channel.
We're a local Florida-based channel, and basically we do the same thing as Brody. We travel around, do food reviews, check things out, and we go a lot of places he goes. We love what he does, so we got with our boy, and now we're chilling together.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the invite. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Check them out. I'll put a link down. That's Maker Snow Cone. All right, we're gonna wrap it up here at the Maker Faire Expo at the Central Florida Fairgrounds. I especially want to give a shout out to Off Our Couch for inviting us. Thank you so much. Cameron, did you have fun?
It was fun.
Awesome. I feel a little smarter today, actually. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Until next time. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please consider becoming a channel member. If you already are one, thanks for the support. Let's grow this thing together.